Hi, I am Susan Zam. Today we'll be looking at general studies in Birom. Before I continue, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do so. Thank you. Back to business. Wasire is how are you? Response: Masi naka, or you say Masi daka or Masi raka, which means I am fine. Zamo awa, what is your name? Take note, Zamo is your name. Response: Zaho my Yop, which is my name is Yop. Bit Tangawa, what is your nickname? Tango is nickname. Response: Bit Tangmea Yopsi, my nickname is Yopsi. Kwasira se, what are you doing? Response: Masira form, I am working. Take note, form is work. Kwasira form se, what kind of work are you doing? Response: Masikipie, which is I am cooking. Remember I said Zamo is your name. So take note, Za is name, Mo is your. Zamo, your name. And then let's come here. Ra form is working. So Ra in Birom is do. And then form is work. Thank you very much for participating in today's class. I hope to see you soon. Bye for now.